Boys, let's begin the new chapter. Financial market help the economy. Financial market play a crucial role in the economy by allocating capital to the most productive uses. These markets facilitates the transfer of funds from savers to borrow and the resulting investment generate economic growth, job creation and increase prosperity. This essay will provide an overview of how financial market help the economy and the impact of economic growth, job creation, and wealth creation. The first session of this essay will provide an introduction to financial market, their function, and their different types. The second section will explore the relationship between financial market and economic growth. The third section will analyze the role of financial market in job creation, while the fourth section will discuss the creation of wealth through financial market. Finally, the fifth section will provide some concluding remarks. Number one, introduction. Financial market are markets where financial instruments such as stocks, bonds, currencies, and derivatives are bought and sold. These markets play a crucial role in the economy by channeling capital to its most productive uses. These are several types of financial market, including in the stock market, bond market, money market, foreign exchange market, and derivative market. The stock market is where shares of publicly traded company are bought and sold. The bond market is where bonds issued by government, corporation, and their entities are bought and sold. The money market is where short-term debt securities such as treasury bills, commercial paper, and certificate of deposit are traded. The foreign exchange market is where currency are exchanged, while the derivative market is where financial instruments such as option and future contracts are traded. Financial markets serve several functions, including providing liquidity, risk management, and price discovery. Liquidity refers to ease with which an asset can be bought or sold without affecting its price. Financial market provide liquidity by allowing buyers and sellers to trade assets quickly and at low transaction cost. Risk management refers to the management of financial risk such as interest rate risk and credit risk. Financial market provide risk management tools such as derivatives that allow investors to hedge against these risks. Price discovery refers to the process of determining the fair value of an asset. Financial market provide price discovery by allowing buyers and sellers to trade assets based on their perceived value. Financial market and economic growth. Financial market play a critical role in promoting economic growth by channeling capital to its most productive uses. The efficient allocation of capital is essential for economic growth because it allows firms to invest in new projects, expand their operation, and create jobs. Financial market help facilitate this process by providing firms with access to capital which they can use to finance their investment. In developed economy, most of capital provided to firms comes with financial markets such as the stock and bond markets. These markets allow firms to raise capital from a large pool of investors, including institutional investors such as pension funds and insurance companies, and individual investors such as retail investors. This access to capital enables firms to finance their growth and invest in new projects, which in turn drives economic growth. Financial markets also play a crucial role in promoting innovation and entrepreneurship. Startup companies often require significant amount of capital to fund their operation and develop new products. Financial market provide these company with access to capital which they can use to fund their operation and develop new product. These access to capital encourage innovation and entrepreneurship which are critical drivers of economic growth. Third, financial market and job creation. Financial market play a crucial role in job creation by providing firms with the capital they need to expand their operation and hire new employees. When firms have access to capital, they can invest in new projects expand their operation, and create new jobs. Financial market provide firms with access to capital by allowing them to issue stocks and bonds which can be sold to investors. Thank you.